So Mike Tyson is making a lot of money on Facebook, and in this video I'm going to show you how he's doing it. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Lester Diaz, and in this channel we talk about making money online, affiliate marketing, social media marketing, and everything in between. So if you're new, consider subscribing. Mike Tyson is making a killing on Facebook, and the reason why is because he's basically using Facebook Instagram ads to monetize his videos. He's not uploading his own videos. He's basically licensing videos from other sources and making money from the ads that play on those videos. And with over 7 million followers on Facebook, you can bet that he's making over $100,000 per month by simply sharing videos on his Facebook page. And so what I'm going to do in this video is simply dive into his Facebook page, show you how many views he's getting per video, and show you an estimate on how much money I think he's making every single month. But if you're brand new to the channel, you might be wondering, how exactly does Mike Tyson make money from other people's videos on his Facebook page? Well, it's quite simple actually. Facebook has something called in-stream ads. And in-stream ads basically allow you to place ads on videos that are longer than 3 minutes, meaning that just like on YouTube, when you're watching a video and YouTube will play an ad for you in the first 5 seconds, you're able to skip that ad. And basically creators like myself are able to make money from the advertisements that play on those videos. On Facebook, it's pretty much the same thing. Now you get to place ads on your videos, and for every 1,000 ad impressions, you're able to make money. Now, the amount of money you make truly depends on how large your following is on Facebook, how many views your videos are getting, and where your audience is from. But in the case of Mike Tyson, with over 7 million followers on Facebook, he's taking full advantage of this opportunity, because now he's getting millions and millions of views on a monthly basis, which I think is really smart, because he's basically taking advantage of his name to make a lot of money using social media. Best of all, he's not actually creating the videos himself. He's not actually sitting behind a computer editing videos and uploading videos to his Facebook page. I'm pretty sure he has a team behind that is basically looking for the videos to upload to his Facebook page. So we're going to take a look at his Facebook page, how he's doing this, and just give you an idea on how much money I think he's making on a monthly basis. Now, you don't need to have 7 million followers on Facebook if you want to make money from videos. What you need to have is at least 10,000 followers on your Facebook page. So anyone can start a Facebook page, get to 10,000 followers, and start making money from their videos. And yes, you can use other people's videos to make money with your own Facebook page. I have a bunch of examples on my YouTube channel. You can go and search on my YouTube channel if you want to do that. In fact, I recently uploaded a video where I show one of my subscribers who made over $40,000 in a single month by simply sharing videos on her Facebook page. Now, if you want to learn how to do this in detail, I do have my Facebook Income School course, which is a complete course with over 40 videos. I can teach you from beginning to end how to create and start a Facebook page, how to monetize your Facebook page, how to grow your Facebook page, and everything that you need to know about monetizing your videos on Facebook. So if you guys want to check it out, I'm going to put a link in the description below. Alright, so let's jump right in. What we're going to do is jump into my computer and let's dive into Mike Tyson's Facebook page. Alright guys, so before I show you his Facebook page, I want to show you what he's doing on YouTube. This is the only verified channel that I found from Mike Tyson on YouTube, and he's basically promoting his podcast. And if we take a look at some of his videos, it's all original content. Basically, you can see that they're uploading about 1 video per week. Basically, they've been uploading full episodes of his podcast to his YouTube channel, and even though they get some decent views, I bet that he's not making as much money from YouTube as he's making from his Facebook page. So on his YouTube channel, he has 910,000 subscribers. So now we're going to take a look at his actual Facebook page. Alright, so this is the official Mike Tyson page, and as you can see, 7.8 million followers on his Facebook page. And the first things you're going to notice is that once you start scrolling down, you're going to start seeing videos like these. And these are videos that most likely his team is licensing from sites like ViralHog and publishing on his Facebook page. And as you can see, this video was posted about 2 hours ago with 1,700 likes already and 153 shares. You can see the link here where it says via ViralHog, and that means that it is a licensed video. So if we keep scrolling down, you're gonna see more videos, basically the same thing. So let's take a look at his actual video page, and just so we can get an idea on how many views he's getting on a daily or monthly basis by just using this strategy. So as you can see, this video that was posted today had 2.7 million views. This one was posted yesterday with 6.2 million views. Then another one, 436,000 views, 1.6, 20 million views, 2.2 million views, 1.2 million views. So you get the idea. He's getting a lot of views on a daily basis. And every single video is over 3 minutes long. That's mainly because you can start monetizing your videos once they are over 3 minutes long on Facebook. So just yesterday, they posted about 10 videos to his Facebook page. So he probably got over 25 million views just yesterday. And of course, I don't think he's actually behind the computer looking for these videos to license and upload to his Facebook page. Most likely he has a team or someone who's already licensing these videos and just scheduling these videos on his Facebook page, and they're making a lot of money just doing this. So you can see the big difference in between the strategy that they're using on Facebook and what they're doing on YouTube. On YouTube, he's basically monetizing the original content from his podcast on his YouTube channel. And on Facebook, they're doing something completely different, which is basically licensing videos and making money from those videos. But he's getting 100 times more views on Facebook than he is on his YouTube channel. And that's mainly because it's a lot easier to go viral on Facebook than it is on YouTube. So if you keep scrolling down, you can see that it's all licensed content from other sites, and you can see 2.1 million views, 3.5, 4.8. On average, what I believe it's happening is they're uploading over 100 videos per month, and they're probably getting over 150 million views per month. So even with a very low RPM, and RPM is basically revenue for every 1,000 ad impressions that you get on your videos, he's probably making over $100,000 per month. So I'm estimating anywhere between $100,000 to $150,000 per month. Let's take a quick look at his stats for his YouTube channel, Hotboxing with Mike Tyson. And as you can see, over the past 30 days, he had 19,000 subscribers and about 1.5 million views. So that means on Facebook, he's basically getting per video what he's getting per month on his YouTube channel. And if we break it down by day, you can see that on average, he's getting between 40,000 to 50,000 views per day. So these numbers are nothing compared to what he's doing on Facebook using licensed videos. So of course, it makes sense to upload 5-10 videos per day to his Facebook page, because they're probably making a killing on Facebook compared to his YouTube channel. So yes, I think Mike Tyson's Facebook page is making over $100,000 per month by sharing videos on Facebook using in-stream ads. And what a difference between what he's doing on Facebook and what he's doing on YouTube, because on YouTube, he's basically just uploading original content to promote his podcast. But I bet that he's not making as much money on YouTube as he is on Facebook, because on Facebook, you can scale this as big as you want, and he's making a killing by utilizing other people's videos, licensed videos basically, making sure that all the content that he's posting on his Facebook page will not be taken down, and he's able to make a lot of money doing it. So this is why I keep telling you guys that 2020 is going to be big on Facebook when it comes to actually launching pages and making money from Facebook video, because a lot of people are jumping into this opportunity. A lot of people are realizing that you can make money on Facebook without having to create your own content, and it's a lot easier to go viral on Facebook than it is on YouTube. So if you're watching this video right now and you have a Facebook page that you haven't updated in a while, maybe it's time to go back and actually start posting more content, growing that Facebook page, getting it to 10,000 followers, getting it approved for monetization, and start uploading videos so you can also make money from your videos. You will face obstacles, trust me. I've been dealing with Facebook for the past few years, and sometimes I get my pages demonetized, but it happens to everyone. You have to go through the process and learn exactly how to do it step by step, and just keep moving forward, making sure that you have a solid business on Facebook that generates revenue for you on a daily, weekly, and monthly basis. And best of all, it's 100% free. Anyone can start a Facebook page from anywhere in the world. Over 30 plus countries are now able to monetize their videos on Facebook. And growing a Facebook page from 0 to 10,000 followers, it's a lot easier than growing a YouTube channel from 0 to 10,000 subscribers. Trust me, I'm talking from experience. So guys, I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy this video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already, because I post videos like this every single week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.